Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I will show you how you can connect your smartphone, your Android smartphone, to this TV. So at the first you have to grab your remote control and tap on the home button. Next you have to tap on the home dashboard. When we are here we have to click on the connect mobile device. Choose the device that we want to connect. Of course I'm going to connect Android. And right now we have to download from the Play Store application name LG Thing, and I just make it on my smartphone. But if you don't have it, you have to simply open the Play Store. Just take a look. Here we are in the Play Store and we have to type on the search bar the LG Thing. So let me do this. And there's the application that we have to get, the LG Thing. So right now I'm going to tap on the install. Now just wait a little bit. Okay, right now we can open this up. And here we got some kind of the stuff, but we can skip it. And we can continue with our LG account, with Facebook or Google. I'm going to sign in with Google. I can take maybe this one account. Click here, then tap on this switcher, and as you can see it is looking for our nearby devices, right? So we have to grab our remote control and click OK here. Okay, let me just turn off the volume. We can also select manually. As you can see, we can pick TV. We have to click on the settings and enable location. Then just go back. And here we got our TV, right? So we have to tap on it. And as you can see, we have to input this screen pin to our TV. So that's what I'm going to do. It's 761927072, and when you make it, you have to click next right here. So tap, and here we got some kind of stuff that we have to accept. I'm going to skip, and as you can see, we have to tap to move to the home by tapping here. And right now I'm connected. So for example, when I tap here, as you can see, our smartphone pops right here. When I tap here, I can control my TV. There's some kind of the external remote control. I can also open the settings. So very cool. But the most interesting feature is here when we go for our TV with remote control. And we can check our photo and music. And when we make it, we have to also accept the request on our phone. So there I get a notification, I have to enter for it, and then pick allow. And click yes. And right now I'm moved to my data on the smartphone. So you can store whatever you have on your smartphone on your TV. So we can use the Chromecast, the screencast, or connect via LG TV Thing application. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.